All right, boys and girls, happy Friday. You've made it through another week. Congratulations. Hope you're ready for a good, pretty challenging 20-minute AMRAP to do today. We have something called Count Chalkula, 4 different movements, 20-minute AMRAP, rep scheme of 30, 25, 20, and 15. Well, our movements today are kettlebell swings, box jumps, toes to bar, and push press. First off, we have kettlebell swings, nice big set of 30. These are American swings, so we're going all the way up overhead. This set of 30, you should be able to get through this in 1 to 3 sets, right? No more than 2 breaks, 1, maybe 2 breaks at the most, if you have to break it up a little bit. After that, we have some box jumps, 25 box jumps. Most of you, I know, like myself, do not have a box at home. I like to substitute standing broad jumps. Pick out a couple of points on your floor, somewhere between like 4 and 6 feet apart, and then just jump back and forth. Try to make it a relatively significant distance because this is replicating jumping up onto a box. So back and forth, 2 points, 25 reps. We got toes to bar after that. Again, a lot of us don't have a pull-up bar at home to do toes to bar. V-ups are a very good substitution for this. I'll also demonstrate a toes to kettlebell movement that you can try if you do have that heavy kettlebell you're using for swings. I'll show you in just a second. 20 on the toes to bar. Yeah, as usual, if you are doing toes to bar, probably something, maybe 4 sets of 5 like that. Try to minimal breakage. And then we have 15 push press at the end of each round. Pretty heavy today. 135-95. We got 15 reps. Again, probably no more than 2 breaks in a set. Sort of a 5-5-5 would work well, or a 6-5-4 or whatever, something like that. 1-2 breaks at the most. 20-minute AMRAP and all that. Well, keep again rounds and reps. And we are shooting for, if I haven't said this already, 3+ rounds, right? We're trying to get through it at least 3 times, and then anything over and above that, good for you. All right. Let me demonstrate our toes to kettlebell movement. Okay, so one of our movements today is a toes to bar. You don't have a bar, but you do have a kettlebell, some sort of relatively heavy kettlebell. This wouldn't work with like a 15 or whatever, but if you have a relatively substantial kettlebell, put it on the ground with yourself. One happy laying on flat on the ground, arms are long, holding 2 hands in the handle of the kettlebell, keeping the legs straight, just like you would with a regular toes to bar. We close at the hips first, bring those toes up and over, and then bring the toes down to the handle of the kettlebell. Right, bring it down, bring it up. Using that kettlebell as an anchor. You get the idea. Pretty good substitution there for our toes to bar. Good core exercise. And I suppose technically that kettlebell could be something else, something that's weighted relatively close to the floor that you can hold on to and hinge at the hips and bring those toes up and over to touch it. All right, little substitution today. 20-minute AMRAP, Count Chalkula, get after it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.